Members of the Thumaita Tea Factory in Kirinyaga County have resumed tea picking following a payment and management with the Kenya Tea Development Agency and the Tea Board of Kenya. Under the deal, farmers have been assured better returns and streamlined management of the tea factory in Kirinyaga County. Last month, tea farmers in Kirinyaga County boycotted tea picking in Thumaita area on grounds of poor pay and mismanagement of the tea factory.
Under the new deal, KTDA will submit the factory's financial record to the Tea Board of Kenya by October 9, 2024 to address concerns over farmers' second bonus payments. TBK will review the accounts and give feedbacks within 30 days, providing clarity on the matter. A planned special general meeting to discuss the payment issues has been postponed until the review is complete. Thumaita Tea Factory Chairman Engineer Richard Magu has urged farmers to stop hawking tea and instead deliver it to the factory.
Tea farmers shall immediately resume plucking of tea on 8th October. In this regard, tea hawking in the Thumaita catchment area shall cease immediately. TBK and security organs are requested to decisively deal with the matter of hawking. Any person inciting farmers not to pluck tea.
The factory, which had lost an estimated 115 million shilling during the boycott, is now set to resume full operations. This will allow farmers to start earning again, providing much-needed financial relief.
Warudi kuchuna majani yao sababu ya kwamba kuna watu wengi sana wako na maroni na hiyo maroni huwa wanalipa monthly na wakiendelea kukosa kuchuna hiyo majani itawaletea shida mwisho ya mwaka.
The government is very keen to ensure that the directors, their management agent and the tea farmers sit down and resolve any issue they may be having. We are glad today that they have agreed that as tomorrow tea plucking will resume and the payment of the bonus that has been declared will continue as scheduled.
The tea subsector in Kenya plays a crucial role in the local economy, providing employment and supporting thousands of families. The ongoing discussion facilitated by TBK are expected to bring lasting solutions to the payment issue while allowing farmers to continue delivering their tea uninterrupted.